Hi everyone, this is Erica Lifestyle here, and welcome to my blog and welcome to my channel again. And today's vlog, it's another collaboration and it's another unboxing at the same time. It's a review vlog, but most likely it's a collaboration, and it's kind of special today because they sent me this package which I already opened. So some of the boxes. So this is called a Koolkatkoo coffee mug. So yeah, I have here a little cute coffee mug, and it's the brand, it's Koolkatkoo. It's pretty amazing. I think it's kind of catchy marketing strategy from that brand because it has cool and cat and co. So as you can see, it has like a design of a cat, so pretty cool. So this is the package that I got from here and from Koolkatkoo, and it's wonderful to have this mug. This is not just a coffee mug. It's also, you can, it's a holder of your phone. I think it's hold your phone also. So it's amazing. So yeah, stay tuned and bear with me because we're gonna unbox this together, and let's see what are the details and description of this product. So without any further ado, stay frosty, be frosty, or shall I say, or stay with me and bear with me because we will keep the ball rolling as of the moment. So yeah, I have here a Koolkatkoo coffee mug, and I'm super happy that they picked me, and they choose me as their one of their ambassador for their brand. And thank you so much, Koolkatkoo. So yeah, so this, they have three different coffee mug style from Koolkatkoo, and it's, so this one, hold on, it's my internet, it's, so this coffee mug, it has a cell phone holder for cat lover out there, and it's unique style. As you can see, it's very unique, and it's a ceramic black mugs tea cap, and it's this also perfect for gift for women or your friends out there. You can also give this as a gift. It's perfect gift to your friends. So yeah, and this one is the back one, and the next one would be, I will introduce to you the pink one. Let's move on with the pink one. So the packaging is really great. So this is really perfect for a gift for any occasion to your friends and loved ones and family as well. So I super love the pink one as well, and so they have also white color, white with white gold. This one, it's pink, but it has like gold plated right here. See, as you can see, and the good thing is inside there's like kitty. So yeah, pretty amazing. I think, well, you can put your phone like that. Yeah, super love it. It's amazing. It's as pretty as me, the coffee mug. So far from that, and that's the pink one. So don't you worry, guys. I'm gonna put the link on my description so that if you guys are interested and willing to purchase, I'll give you a discount, and you can grab one as you know, whatever, if you like it. It is perfect for gift for friends. So this is ceramic, and also it's easy to use to, while you know, watch videos when you eat and drinking. Free, it's like free hands and make your life more comfortable. Why not? See? And this design is very unique. I'm sure you won't miss it. So this, especially this one, it's very unique. So this lid right here is a phone bracket, and on the top, and the top, oh, on the top is a lovely cat. As you can see, it's a lovely cat mag. Leads sit on it. See, amazing. And where you can do like that. Wait, I don't know, like that. So if you buy a mug like this, you will have a cell phone bracket at the same time. The cute cat mag, it's made of high quality ceramic. This is really good quality because it's ceramic, guys, and sturdy and durable. If you are looking for a good mug, I would recommend this one as well. So this is perfect for you, for all women, or any to my friends out there. So this cat themed mug is also particularly suitable for cat lovers. See, but I bet for me, you don't have to be a cat lover to grab this kind of mug. This is pretty cute to me. So do you have friends or relatives or who are crazy at cats, or if you're looking for a gift for them, this is really perfect as a gift to them. And this cat mug is perfect one. And then feel free to find, or you know, just check on my you know, the description below. I'm gonna put the description below, and so that you guys are interested, you can grab one. So this for dishwasher and microwave ovens, these are safe. You can put in your microwave, and also you can for dishwasher, this is also safe, and they're ideal complements to use to your busy lifestyle. So sounds great. So I have one. I have actually, oh my god, actually I have three. So that's the other one, and I use as a holder. Why not? It's pretty amazing, guys. Hold on. So yeah, please do grab, and we can grab one, and we can I'll give you a discount code if you guys are interested. Okay, so don't you worry. So this is pretty amazing stuff, and I'm sure I super love it. You know, I'm pretty sure you would love it as well. And this is very durable, and it's ceramic. I think I say it all with the description of this Koolkatkoo coffee mug, and I would like to say thank you for Koolkatkoo coffee mug for this beautiful and very unique, one of a kind coffee mug. I never seen like this for my entire life. But most likely I have coffee from, you know, different states. It has like a souvenir with their state's name on it, or yeah, but this one, it's one of a kind. And so this is really unique. So you can just, you know, put your phone like that. Amazing, huh? While you're enjoying your coffee, you know, it's not just, like I told you, it's not just a coffee mug, it's also, it makes your life easier and comfortable. So whenever you watch a video or drinking or having your coffee, you can have this one, you know. Well, you can enjoy your coffee in the morning. You can use as a holder to your phone. So this is just, it's like two, I would say it's a two-in-one thing. It's not just a coffee mug, but it's also a phone holder. What a great deal if you guys want to have this purchase and grab one, why not? And I'll give you a discount code. I'll put the link on my description. So yeah, as you can see, I am at the back of our house. It's on our gazebo, and this is really perfect area for me to enjoy my coffee, and that's why I am here in front of you and having this kind of collaboration, and it's pretty wonderful that I feel great and feel amazing that this Koolkatkoo brand really discovered me as their brand ambassador. So thank you so much, Koolkatkoo, for choosing me as your endorser or a brand ambassador. So if you guys are really interested to collaborate with me who are like a brand or product, I am willing to work with you and work one in hand, and let's you can just PM me or email me if you want to work with me. So thank you so much guys for watching, and that's it for today's video, and see you next time, and bye. Once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye. Enjoy it.